All right, crypto market holders, how you doing? For those of you guys here in the States, happy early pre-Thanksgiving. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and obviously one of the bigger holidays here in the States. So if you celebrate it, happy Thanksgiving coming up. I will, of course, be here tomorrow, but just kind of wanted to get that in a little bit early. So let's talk about the fact that the crypto market is strong and it has resilience. And, it's the question, are we out of trouble yet? Is the other shoe going to fall? Is there some issue out there that's going to take us down? And I have a question for you. I look at this crypto every day in this job. And by the way, thanks for your support and hit that like and subscribe button. But in looking at it every day and paying attention to it every day, you start to get a feel for what is going on. And the feeling, and I realize that this is a very technical scenario and there's a lot of hard data around what I'm about to say. The feeling is that we are extremely strong, the crypto market, and that there's not a lot right now that can derail us. And there's always something, some major, issue or conflict on the global stage. If the Ukraine Russia war escalates, things like that are completely out of our control. But would you agree or disagree? Drop in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. That it feels like the market is extremely strong, and there's really not a lot that can derail us from moving forward pretty dramatically. And if you're kind of looking at the overall market, I mean, it's up 3% right now as of the recording. But we've also dropped $100 billion in the last, I don't know, 48 to 72 hours. Now, that's not a whole bunch in the grand scheme of things, but I'm really kind of also talking about Bitcoin. I was watching Bitcoin and I have been buying some more, but I was going to buy some more if it dropped, even more if it dropped down to 90. And it never really got down to that. I mean, it got down to 90,700. And I was like, all right, okay, maybe we're going to see it drop a little bit lower. Because I'm looking at any opportunity to buy Bitcoin lower right now is a good thing. I mean, there's all that out there that we know that Trump is talking about, adding it to the strategic reserve. And if that happens, I mean, Bitcoin is going to go absolutely ballistic in a positive way. It's going to go up, right? And it's really it. It's a scenario where, are we out of the woods yet? In my opinion, yes. I mean, right here, the fear and greed is running at an extreme greed, which I would say extreme confidence. I tend to like it to stay in this green right here, this lighter green, not the darker green. Bitcoin dominance has dropped a little bit. I mean, just a touch from that high 57/58 range. The altcoins are waking up a little bit right now. You can see them. XRP's up 6%. 3% on Solana. Dogecoin's up 3.5%. Cardano up 9.5%. Avalanche 4, 5. Stellar's 11%. Stellar's the one that's been just crushing it. Look at this XLM. In the last 19 days, Stellar XLM is up 513%. Yeah, 513%. $1,000 bought here would have made you a profit of over $5,132. You get your $1,000 back plus a profit of that. By the way, that is my trading indicator that's giving you that buy and sell alert. So if you're interested, links in the description below, or it's above me over on X. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. So you get to try it really for free. If you don't like it, you get a complete refund. There's a discount code down there as well that makes the software cost about $1 a day. But yeah, I mean, and by the way, it works on stocks as well. There's Tesla. Okay. So Cardano, look at this, 20 days, 200%. Buy, sell, buy, sell. The software tells you exactly when to buy and when to sell, so you can lock in those profits and make even more money. Okay. So, I mean, again, not a real technical video here. I'm just really talking about the feel of crypto and how it feels very strong. The market feels extremely resilient. It just feels different. It doesn't feel like we have a lot of downside risk, and yes, there will be those days like we've had in the last couple of days where we'll have some red days. We need those. We need those red days. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. I will always kind of remind you of that. But the long and the short of it is that the capital is doing exactly what it's meant to do. The money flows to Bitcoin first, then it flows to Ethereum, and then it flows to the major altcoins, which we're seeing. And then I would add the fourth phase is memes. I mean, memes have become a prevalent part of the overall crypto market. $113 billion market cap as far as the meme coin category. The meme coin category is the largest category inside of crypto if you're looking at like, versus like, so, AI, gaming, RWA, DeFi, whatever it may be, right? And DeFi is bigger, but you get my point. It's definitely one of the largest, but you can see that meme coins have not really jumped in. And there's a group of people, a lot of retail investors who will never buy Bitcoin. They'll never buy Ethereum, but they will buy meme coins all day long. Right or wrong, that's true, right? And so, yeah, it's just one of those scenarios playing out where I think you can feel it. Again, I realize I'm saying some kind of touchy-feely thing here, but that's also part of the narrative. That's also part of what we're seeing. It feels and seems as though consumer retail confidence is buoyed. Yeah, I've used that word today, freak somebody out. It's buoyed. It's lifted up, and we still, by the way, haven't seen the bulk of the retail money come in. This is retail money that will flow into every major crypto asset, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the blue chips, all the major altcoins, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I think we are out of trouble. I think we'll have more, we'll have some down days and we'll have some things of that nature, but I think we'll continue to see things roll along. I was looking for a little bit flatter week this week, heading into Thanksgiving, but again, woke up today to a market that's up 3%. I mean, and that's good. And we'll just see how it see how it shakes out. So by the way, remember that if you're interested, check out my software. Take it for a 30-day test spin, really for free. Here's XRP, 174% right there to there. That's a $1,745 in profit in an 18-day span. If you had bought and sold. By the way, you can have alerts where the alerts will show up on your phone, tells you when to buy, when to sell any and all cryptos that you want to track and all that kind of stuff. And so that's what's really cool. Just see an alert. Okay, boom, go buy XRP. 18 days later, boom, go sell XRP. Make $1,745 in profit. It's really pretty cool. So if you're looking for more ways to make more money in crypto, it's definitely at least take it for a test spin. Because remember, you got that 30-day, no questions asked refund guarantee. Links in the description below. It's above me over on X. I'll see you. Bye.